minutes later.
Bruh.
I believe I can fly.
Game over.
A few minutes later.
Hey!
Denied.
Run.
A few minutes later. few moments later. 1 eternity later. 3 days later. 12 seconds later. 3:28 a.m. 8:01 p.m. The next day. Meanwhile, at the Krusty Krab. 10 seconds later. 346 minutes later. Much later. 3 days later. Opening night. Extremely annoying shift later. 2 very boring minutes later. Lot of boring math later. 24 hours later. 1 week later. 1 long angry line later. 72 hours later. The following Thursday. 5 minutes later. 24 hours later. Much later. Much later. The next day. Later. 20 minutes later. 3 weeks later. Many months later. 2,000 years later. 6.5 hours later. A few inches later.
Much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
6 hours later. A few minutes later. A little longer than a few minutes later. Then, by sheer coincidence, the next morning, montage. The next morning, many tic-tacs later, flashback, end of flashback. The very next evening, moments later, more moments later, 1 semester later, graduation day. 15 minutes later, several months later, thousands of tears later, 16 paranoia-filled days later, 6 hours later, later that same evening, several days. Tomorrow for sure. Eventually, day 2, day 3, day 4, 3,000 whoop-whoos later. Soon after today, many hours later, 75 years later, 4 to 6 weeks later, 1 minute 37 seconds later, 1 debt to society later, 1 pair of pants later, 12 o'clock midnight, 1 hour later, 2 hours later, 3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a boy John. I have to subscribe, turn the notification bell, give this a new big